How to disable Windows 10 login password and lock screen. So login as usual at your computer first. So it's loaded. Click start menu and type user accounts and click on add, edit or remove other people. Okay, so from the left bar you need to select sign in options. So here it is, sign in options. Click on it. Okay, and at the right you should select when PC wakes up for a sleep, you should select never and click on it. So let's close the window now. What next you should do is click on start menu and type command and run option what you see on the screen. Okay, so click on it. Then you need to disable this option. User must enter username and password to use this computer. So disable it, click on apply and confirm changes. So type your password, confirm it, click on OK, and we need to restart our computer. And here we go. As you can see, it's automatically signing to Windows computer. So problem is fixed. Enjoy.